Find something to prop it up with. I'll hold it. Hurry! Ellie, they're almost through. Ellie!
Okay, go! Oh, God.
Let's move. Through here. Ellie, you with me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Keep running. All right.
Up the stairs. The scaffolding? That's our way out. Infected!
Oh, they're behind us, too.
This way. Go, 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 go!
They're getting closer.
Follow me! Ellie!
I'm good. Just keep going.
There's an open window! We're almost out! Reach up! I got you!
Oh, God.
Give me your hand! Quickly!
I think it's clear.